This video will review the steps to remove and replace PLRs and power supplies in a Daktronics SDN series stanchion display. After ensuring that power has been disconnected to the display, use a Phillips screwdriver or 5/16 nut driver to remove the screw on the side of the PLR power enclosure cover. Open the hinged cover on the enclosure. Reposition any cabling obstructing the PLR and hold it in place, then remove the PLR by sliding it up and out of the enclosure. Remove the power, SATA, and fiber cables from the PLR. If necessary, the PLR can be removed from the mounting plate using a 5/16 nut driver. To install a PLR, mount it to the plate, then reconnect the fiber, SATA, and power cables. Slide the plate into the mounting brackets in the PLR power enclosure. Next, we will take a look at removing and installing a power supply. The type of power supply will vary based on the stanchion display model. Regardless of power supply type, the power supplies will be mounted to a plate that slides into a bracket within the enclosure. Remove the power supply plate by sliding it up and out of the enclosure. Unplug the power connections from the power supply. Then use a 5/16 nut driver to remove the nuts holding the power supply to the plate. To install a power supply, mount the power supply to the plate and reconnect the power connections. Slide the plate into the mounting brackets in the enclosure. Thank you for viewing this video. Visit daktronics.com/support for additional videos and support resources for this and other Daktronics products.